Want to take your woodworking projects to the next level? In this video, I'm sharing some of the best tools that every woodworker and DIY enthusiast should have. These tools will make your work faster, cleaner, and more precise. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more woodworking tips and tool reviews. All product links are in the description below. Check them out to get started today. Tired of messy joints and uneven cuts? The General Tools 12-inch Dovetail jig is here to change that. This precision aluminum jig keeps your boards perfectly aligned, giving you smooth and professional dovetail joints every time. It's fully adjustable to fit any board width and includes a 14-degree router bit with a clear user guide to get you started fast. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, and all your woodworking projects. It's the kind of tool that makes every job easier, cleaner, and way more satisfying. Heavy-duty Undercut Jamb saw kit. A true powerhouse built for serious cutting jobs. With a 2.5 HP 1800W motor, it delivers fast and smooth cuts through wood, tile, concrete, and stone. The set includes two 6.5-inch alloy blades for wood and one diamond blade for tougher materials. Its solid construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the easy height adjustment system keeps your cuts precise and perfectly level with the floor. With a 13-foot cord and a 1-year warranty, this saw is ready for any project that demands strength and accuracy. Take your woodworking precision to the next level with the Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide. Made from CNC machined aluminum, this tool delivers rock-solid stability and smooth, vibration-free cutting. It fits most standard T-slot tables and works perfectly with table saws, bandsaws, and router tables. The adjustable range from 2 to 8.5 inches, combined with 1/32 inch cutting accuracy, ensures flawless, repeatable results every time. Its quick, tool-free setup saves time while keeping your hands safe and your cuts consistent, making it a must-have for any serious woodworker. Small projects get professional results with the Rockler Mini Deluxe panel clamps. These compact clamps apply 4-way pressure to keep panels flat and joints perfectly aligned, saving time on sanding. Made from thick powder-coated steel, they are strong and durable for repeated use. Ideal for cutting boards, small panels, and cabinet doors, the set includes clamp rails, headstocks, tailstocks, and a convenient storage rack. Precise, reliable, and easy to use, these mini clamps make every small woodworking project smoother and more efficient. Get perfect angles every time with the Huepar digital angle finder. This professional inclinometer delivers plus or minus 0.1 degrees accuracy, even in extreme temperatures, making it ideal for woodworking, pipe bending, or miter saw setups. Switch easily between 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees modes with multiple measurement units and absolute or relative readings. Its strong magnetic base lets you work hands-free on metal surfaces, while the high-contrast VA LCD with tilt guidance ensures precise adjustments. Compact, durable, and portable with a carrying bag included, this digital angle finder brings accuracy and convenience to every project. Keep your shop cleaner and your vacuum running longer with the Dustopper PRO, the original low-profile dust separator. Designed to fit standard 5-gallon buckets, it captures over 99% of dust before it reaches your vacuum, saving you money on filters. Compatible with most wet/dry vacuums and tools, it handles both dry debris and liquids, from sawdust and wood chips to water spills and pet hair. Installation is quick, and the included high-flow 90-degree elbows ensure maximum airflow. With easy latches for fast emptying, Dustopper PRO makes dust collection efficient, simple, and mess-free. Power through any job with the NEIKO 10882A cordless rotary hammer drill. Its brushless motor delivers 1,400 revolutions per minute and 4,500 BPM, handling concrete, wood, masonry, and metal with ease. The 20-volt rechargeable battery keeps you working longer with a clear energy indicator and fast charger for on-the-go power. Switch effortlessly between drilling, hammering, and chiseling with the easy side mode selector. Designed for comfort and control, it includes a 360-degree auxiliary handle, depth gauge, and built-in LED light. The kit comes complete with chisels, drill bits, chuck, handle, and battery for a ready-to-go setup. Take your cutting projects to the next level with this cordless jig saw. Its brushless motor runs cooler, smoother, and longer than traditional motors, giving you reliable performance with less wear. Adjust between 3 speeds and 4-stroke settings to handle everything from delicate wood to tougher metals with precision. The saw easily tilts from 45 to 90 degrees, making straight and angled cuts effortless. A built-in dust-blowing system keeps your workspace clean and your lines visible. Complete with battery and charger, this cordless jig saw delivers versatility, accuracy, and convenience for any woodworking or DIY project. Cut anything with confidence using the 8-in-1 multi-blades handsaw. This versatile tool comes with 8 durable high-speed steel blades for drywall, wood, metal, plastic, and more. The ergonomic non-slip handle keeps your grip comfortable, even during long projects, while the secure lockback system ensures each blade stays firmly in place. Quick change clamping lets you switch blades in seconds, and its compact design makes it easy to carry or store. Perfect for home repairs, woodworking, gardening, and DIY projects. This handsaw is ready for any cutting task. Make perfect dowel joints every time with the Milescraft 1334 Joint Master. This self-clamping aluminum jig handles edge, corner, and surface joints with ease. It works with 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8-inch dowel pins, and the durable all-aluminum construction won't flex or bend under pressure. Retractable edge stops automatically align your boards so dowel pins line up precisely, while hardened steel bushings ensure long-lasting accuracy for every hole. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the Joint Master is the ideal tool for woodworkers looking for consistent, professional quality joints. Power through any project with the Litheli 20V cordless drill set. Its 3/8-inch keyless metal chuck makes bit changes quick and easy, while 18+1 torque settings deliver precise control to prevent stripped screws in wood, metal, or plastic. The 2-speed motor adjusts from slow fastening to fast drilling, and the forward/reverse switch lets you tighten or loosen screws effortlessly. Included is a 2.0Ah battery with a real-time capacity indicator and a 1-hour fast charger, keeping you ready for any task. Compact, versatile, and reliable, this drill set is perfect for homeowners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. Keep your projects perfectly square with this set of 4 corner clamps for woodworking. Made from durable aluminum alloy, these heavy-duty clamps hold wood, metal, or glass at precise 90-degree angles. The adjustable clamping range and swing jaw accommodate different thicknesses, while the ergonomic rubber handle ensures a secure, anti-slip grip. Quick to set up and easy to adjust, these clamps are perfect for woodworking, metal welding, cabinet making, furniture assembly, picture frames, and more. Reliable, sturdy, and versatile, they make every joint precise and every project professional. Install tiles faster and more precisely with the Saker cordless tile vibration tool. Its powerful suction holds tiles up to 130 pounds and sizes up to 59 by 59 inches securely in place, improving efficiency and accuracy. Equipped with 2 22V batteries, it runs continuously for 4 to 6 hours, and the quick 2-hour charge keeps you working without interruption. 5 adjustable vibration speeds and a smart digital display let you fine-tune settings for any tile size or thickness. Lightweight and cordless, it's easy to operate with one hand, making it perfect for floors, walls, and DIY or professional projects. Create precise mortises easily with the Kreg MortiseMate loose tenon jig. This premium drill jig features an auto-indexing step-down mechanism for cutting in 1/16-inch increments, giving you consistent, accurate results. It fits workpieces from 1/2 to 1.5 inches thick and includes a mini work surface for secure clamping. Trigger-style clamps make setting up panel and 90-degree joints quick and effortless, while micro-adjustment screws and laser-etched markings ensure perfect mortise width and depth every time. Compact, reliable, and designed for woodworkers, the MortiseMate makes professional quality joinery simple and efficient. Lift heavy materials safely and effortlessly with the SEESII electric glass suction cups. With a 21V motor, They generate a strong vacuum in just 3 to 5 seconds, holding up to 440 pounds securely. The built-in pressure sensor maintains a firm grip, while the LED display shows load status and operating mode for precise control. Designed for glass, tile, stone, metal, and even rough surfaces, these 11.8-inch suction cups handle a variety of materials with ease. 2 high-capacity 2,000 mAh batteries with fast charging ensure extended operation, and dual-button control adds safety and reliability for every lifting task. Easily remove subfloors and tiles with the toe kick saw. Designed for flush cutting along walls and cabinets, it comes with 2 alloy blades for wood and 1 diamond blade for tiles and stone. The saw offers 4 cutting depth settings: 3/16, 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4 inches, giving you precise control for any job. A convenient trigger switch with safety button and easy brush replacement make operation simple and safe. Compact yet powerful, the toe kick saw EKS85 is perfect for remodeling, flooring, and precise flush cutting tasks.